In this video, I'm going to show you how to make dry rubbed barbecue pork chops. For this recipe, you're going to need 4 bone-in center cut pork chops, 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of ground red pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/8 teaspoon of allspice, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix all the seasonings together in a bowl. Now rub the seasoning on both sides of the pork chops. Heat your skillet on medium-high heat and spray with nonstick cooking spray. Place your pork chops in the skillet and cook for 2 minutes on each side. Now turn down the heat to medium and cook for an additional 8 minutes, occasionally flipping the pork chops over as needed. These really are delicious and they're so easy to make and not too many dishes that get dirty doing it. If you do try to make these, please let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.